This movement's called a three-way knee rotation, at least that's what I call it. What we're gonna do is reset this hip, kind of warm it up. Now I usually use this movement at the end of workouts, but if I'm doing running drills or I'm about to do sprints, I kind of want to loosen this up so that I can keep my feet straight in my drive. So when I'm driving, I want to keep my feet straight, and a lot of times what's happening is our feet are kicking out, or maybe I'm just tightening the hips, okay? So, three-way knee rotation. Get myself a band, okay? And I'm gonna loop it around a stable area. Here we have the rig, so I'm just gonna loop it through, okay? I'm gonna get this to height, and right up over the hip flexor there, okay? And when I come down, I'm gonna put some tension here on this, on the quad and then this hip flexor, and hopefully release some of this lower back stuff and kind of reset some of the connective tissue in this hip, right? And this is good for glutes, hamstring, lower back, not directly on the hamstring and glutes, but lower back and releasing that and getting some of, if you have sciatica or any of that stuff, this works real well. Okay, so we're just gonna reach our knee up, go up, and we're gonna get nice, good rotations, nice, good circles, okay? We're gonna get about 15 to 20 of those, and if you feel like you got a sticky spot, hang out there. If I'm kind of having a problem where I gotta cut that off short and then come up, just kind of hang out a little bit, let it stretch, and then go into your circles, okay? So about 15 to 20, we're going to go to the right, then you go 15 to 20 to the left, and you notice that my foot is straight back. The next thing we're going to do is rotate in, almost like pigeon pose. Get our rotations to the right, 15 to 20, okay? Then we go to the left, 15 to 20. And if you find those areas, like right there, I'm kind of tight, I'm gonna sit there for a second, and then keep rotating. Okay? Then, I'm gonna go outside. Now I like to use something to pin my leg, get that interior rotation. A lot of people have a problem with this. All I'm gonna do, kick my leg out, okay? Here, you can feel that kind of turning here, and we're gonna do the same thing. And get our rotations. Now, you might feel a little bit discomfort down here, and that's exactly where we need to work usually. Okay? 15 to 20 to the right, 15 to 20 to the left. Nice, good, and smooth circles. If you're feeling a lot of discomfort, just move the angle of your leg. Okay? We do that right leg, left leg, and that's our 3-point knee rotations. All right? That should help get you warmed up, reset those hips.